Morning, folks. Your boy Phoenix checking in, man. Just sitting outside, warming up my dually for a second. Finna go take a spin real quick. Um, I was just thinking about black business owners and the black people who network with them or approach them. Um, if a black owner got a store, hair store, whatever the situation, whatever store they got, black people, come on now. Don't try to just get discounts off your people because you say, oh, you my people, you supposed to be my brother. You don't go to the white man like that. You don't go to the Arab like that. So why you gonna go to this person business and try to tell them, oh, you should look out for me, give me a discount? What are you doing for them? You see what I'm saying? They trying to bring you a service, give you a better price than you'll get going to someone else, and you still want to undercut them. You still don't want to network with them. You know what I mean? I had a guy say that he don't work for black people because he don't want them making money off of him, but he worked for white people. So somebody please explain this to me, because that shit did not make any sense to me. You know what I mean? I don't get that one. You know what I'm saying? Man, we got to support one another. That's the only way we really going to change something. You know what I'm saying? In this society, we got to support one another and stop being so cutthroat. Man, if dude got his business or she got her business, she doing stuff right, just like the white man is doing they stuff, well, respect them. Don't let them have to go hire white people to represent them, so that way when you come in there, you don't even know it's they store. You think it's the white person's store, so you don't even come with no BS. Why do we got to go through that? Why do you got to do that? Why we can't just say, yeah, this is ours? Come support us without you trying to come and rob us and, come on now. Support black businesses by being faithful like you do, supporting white businesses and Chinese businesses and Arab businesses and Indian businesses. I mean, support your black people businesses too. We out here doing the same thing. We taking the same sacrifices. We trying to get everything lined up just like them. So what make us any different? Stop judging your people, man. Support your people, man. If they got something going and it's righteous, support them. You know what I mean? I do. I don't care what the situation is. I'm going to go to my people first. And if they don't try to screw me and it sound reasonable, just like the man, then yeah, I'm going to shop with them. Or if it's even the same price, I would rather spend my money with them first. Because at least I know that they going to put something back into the community. They helping the hood. You know what I mean? A lot of these other places that you invest in your money in, they don't care about us. All they want to know, all they care about us is they can make money on us because we are consumers. Think about that. But you don't want to work with your people? Man, work with your people, man.